walk into a restaurant. The waiter smiles and says, "Are you ready to order?"
And suddenly your mind goes blank. What do you say?
Don't panic, we've got you covered.
Today we'll teach you how to order food in English like a pro, sound polite, and enjoy your meal with confidence.
Ready? Let's go eat. Hello everyone! Welcome back to English Chat Hub, where learning English is easy and delicious.
Ha ha ha, delicious. I like that one. Hey guys, I'm Daniel.
And I'm Olivia. Today's lesson is all about food, how to order it, how to ask for it politely, and how to sound natural in a restaurant.
This is one of the most useful English skills. Whether you're traveling, studying abroad, or just love good food, you'll use these phrases all the time.
Exactly. And at the end of this video, we'll do a fun role play together, so stay till the end and practice with us.
Okay, let's start from the moment you walk in.
The first thing you'll probably hear is, "Table for how many?"
That means, how many people are with you?
So you can answer, "Table for 2, please." Or, "Just me, please."
You can also say, we have a reservation under your name.
Perfect. And when the waiter takes you to your table, they might say, "Right this way, please."
Then you can reply, thank you. Simple and polite.
Let's do a quick mini quiz. The waiter asks, "Table for how many?" What do you say? A, "I'm fine, thank you." B, "Table for 2, please." C, "I want chicken."
The correct answer is B, table for 2, please.
Nice job. Okay, now you're seated. Let's move on to the next step.
Once you sit down, the waiter gives you a menu.
You can say, "Thank you. Could I have a few minutes, please?" If you need more time.
Or if you're ready, say, I'm ready to order.
Sometimes you might not understand something on the menu. That's okay. Just ask.
For example, what's in this dish? Is it spicy? Do you have any vegetarian options?
Or, if you have allergies, say, "Does this contain nuts or dairy?"
Great. Always ask if you're not sure. It's normal and polite.
And if something looks confusing, you can also point to it and ask, "Can you tell me about this one?"
That's a natural way to learn and stay safe.
Okay, the waiter is here. Time to order.
You can say, I'd like the grilled chicken, please.
Or, "Can I have the pasta, please?"
Notice we don't say, I want. That sounds a little rude.
Yes. Use "I'd like" or "Can I have?" Both are polite.
And don't forget, please. It makes everything sound kinder.
You can also order drinks. "Can I have a glass of water, please?" "I'd like a cup of tea."
Or, can I get an orange juice?
Great. And if you're ordering for more people, say, "She'll have the soup." Or, "We'll share the pizza."
Let's give them a short practice.
Okay, everyone watching, repeat after me. What would you like to order?
I'd like the chicken sandwich, please.
Would you like anything to drink?
Yes, a glass of lemonade, please.
Perfect. Your order will be ready soon.
Thank you very much.
Nice. Now try your own version at home. Maybe order pizza, salad, or noodles.
Sometimes you don't know what to eat, so you can ask the waiter for ideas.
Yes. Try saying, "What do you recommend?" "What's popular here?" "What's your special today?"
Or if you're new to the restaurant, say, it's my first time here. What do you suggest?
That sounds friendly and polite.
You can also say, I can't decide. Everything looks good.
That's me every time I see dessert. Ha 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 ha.
Haha, same.
Now your food arrives. The waiter might say, "Here's your order," or "Enjoy your meal."
And you can reply, thank you, or it looks delicious.
If you need something extra, like salt, ketchup, or napkins, you can say, "Could I get some ketchup, please?" "May I have some extra napkins?"
You can also say, excuse me, can I have a spoon?
And if something is wrong, maybe the food is cold, say it politely. For example, "Excuse me, My soup is a bit cold. Could you warm it up, please?
Yes, always be polite. That's the golden rule in any restaurant.
During the meal, you can make small talk with your friend or the waiter.
For example, this tastes great. The food is amazing. The sauce is really good.
Or, if you don't like something, be gentle. Say, "It's not really my favorite," or "It's a bit too salty for me."
That's polite and still honest.
And if you really love it, say, "Can I get the recipe?" Ha ha.
Haha, I say that too. Okay, here's a quick quiz for you. You want more water? What do you say? A, water. B, give me water. C, could I have some more water, please?
The answer is C.
Excellent. Always use could I have or can I get with please.
Now you've finished your main course. Time for dessert.
Yes, you can ask, do you have any desserts? Or can I see the dessert menu?
Then you can say, "I'd like a piece of chocolate cake." Or, "Can I have some ice cream, please?"
When you're done eating, you can say, could we have the bill, please?
In American English, people say, "Can I get the check, please?"
So remember, bill, UK, check, US.
And when you pay, the waiter might ask, "Cash or card?"
You can reply, card, please, or I'll pay in cash.
Don't forget to say, "Thank you, have a nice day," when you leave.
Manners make everything better.
Let's do a full restaurant conversation now. Everyone, listen and repeat after us.
Hello, table for two, please.
Sure, right this way.
Can I see the menu, please?
Of course. Here you go.
Thank you. What do you recommend?
The grilled salmon is very popular.
Great. I'll have that, please, and a glass of water.
Anything else?
No, that's all for now. Thank you.
Enjoy your meal?
Thanks. It smells amazing.
Would you like dessert?
Yes, can I have the chocolate cake, please?
Sure, I'll bring it right away.
Could I get the bill, please?
Here you are. Have a great day.
Thank you. You too.
Great job, everyone. That's exactly how you sound natural and polite in a restaurant.
You know, Olivia, in some countries, people don't say please and thank you as often in restaurants. But in English-speaking countries, it's very important.
Yes. Even a small please makes a big difference. It sounds respectful and friendly.
Also, in many American restaurants, it's normal to tip about 15 to 20%.
In the UK, it's usually around 10 to 12%. But always check if the tip is already included.
Right. Learning these little cultural things helps you feel more confident.
Okay, last quiz. You finish your meal. What's the best thing to say? A. Done. B. Check. C. Could I have the bill, please?
The answer is C.
Always say please. Polite English is powerful English.
Let's review everything we learned today.
When you arrive, say, "Table for two, please."
When you order, say, I'd like the pasta, please. Or, can I have the chicken?
To ask for something extra, say, "Could I get some ketchup, please?"
To ask for dessert, say, can I see the dessert menu?
And when you're done, say, "Could I have the bill, please?"
You got it.
Now it's your turn. Repeat after us wherever you are.
Table for one, please.
Can I get a glass of water?
I'd like the soup and salad.
Could I have the bill, please?
Awesome. You sound great.
Keep practicing these phrases until they feel natural. That's how your confidence grows. So now, the next time you walk into a restaurant, you'll know exactly what to say, from hello to goodbye.
You'll sound polite, confident, and friendly, just like a native speaker.
Remember, practice with real people, even your friends at home. Pretend your kitchen is a restaurant.
Yes, role play is one of the best ways to learn English.
And tell us in the comments, what's your favorite restaurant food?
We'd love to read your answers.
Don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring the bell for more real English conversations every week.
Thanks for watching, everyone. and have a delicious day.
Bye-bye.